Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, it pertains 17, but as of right now, it's not really relevant. So like I said, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Wednesday, hopefully you remember me talking about 19.5 as resistance, but now that the price is up above it, that would be considered the newest area of support and what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 19.5. Now with that being said, if the price drops below there, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above 19.5, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, is just to keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing too fancy here. The party stopped today just shy of 22 cents. So 22 will be public enemy number 1 going into Friday. All in all, though, top priority is what it's already started to do, and that is just chip away, build higher bases. As long as higher lows are built over time, everything else will take care of itself. So it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.